Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back. In this tutorial, you will see where our InduSoft SCADA runtime screens are now saved. So first of all, I am going to open my InduSoft. You will see it will run as a. I am going to project and options. So you will see it will run as a local interface. To click OK, I am going to close it. Now I am going to all programs and going to InduSoft, and I am going to send it to desktop. You will see our startup screen there. Now I am going to double click it. You will see our runtime screen has now opened. So that's how you can access your InduSoft SCADA in your startup screen. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and comments if you don't understand anything. And in the description I also give links of Ignition SCADA and TI portal. So don't forget to watch those videos. So thank you very much again.